Hi, Brad from wpsites.net. In this tutorial I'll show you how to replace the front page 1 widget area in the Altitude Pro child theme by Studio Press with a slider. So let's take a look at the demo site, and I've set up Altitude Pro here. I've added the slider and that was pretty straightforward. I just installed the slider and added 4 images. They're very large images. The settings, I'm using 2000 pixel width, 1000 pixel height. So that was pretty straightforward. And after that I grabbed the short code, place that in the widget area. So this is pretty straightforward. So that goes in there, the front page 1 widget area, and this is where I'm at the moment. Now, to get this working properly, we need to replace this default background image here with a slider. So there's a fair amount of modification to the CSS required to do this correctly, and there's a little bit of modification to the PHP code in the front page.php file. So rather than go through every modification, because it was a significant amount of work to work this out, I've just basically included both files, so you can just replace these with the default. I've also included the line numbers and where the modification is done, and I've noted that I've commented the modifications in both files. So let's just download the files, and these are available for members of wpsites.net. The code's also supported for members, so if you get stuck, I'll install it for you. Let's just unzip this. We can trash that now. And here are the two files. So modifications have been done to the front page.php file, and there's quite a significant amount of modification done to the style.css. So let's open up Altitude Pro. Let's trash these files, and we'll replace them with the ones I've modified. And let's go and see what the result is. And there you go. So this is pretty good, and it displays the 4 images. So that works well. Let's have a look at the mobile responsiveness of it. Good. Very good. So the slider is very mobile responsive. I think it's a great slider. If you want to add content to each image, you can do that as well. That's pretty easy. The plugin developer includes a really good range of tutorials if you want to add some fancy content to each image, but you just click on this little blue icon and you can add caption text in there. The plugin developer will provide the code if you wanted to center and style the content you add to each image caption. So that's pretty much all you have to do. All code supported for members of wpsites.net. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.